Hey everybody, today I'm going to be taking a look at this Tact Eagle ultraviolet light. What's cool about this light is it will put out 365 nanometer wavelength light out of 3 LEDs. What else is cool is it does have a lithium ion battery and a pretty cool little design. So let's go ahead, take a closer look at what comes in the package and give it a try. In the package you're going to get a charging cable, you are also going to get an instruction manual, and then you're going to get the LED light itself. What's nice about this design is it is made of a full aircraft aluminum, so you don't have to worry about it rusting or falling apart, things like that. And it does have these like nice little O-rings and things like that built into it to help protect it from the elements. You can see here on the front it does have 3 of these little LEDs, and it does have this elephant trunk type shape. The other thing I think is really nice, it does have a 2600 milliamp hour battery here, and what's cool is that the charger is built into the battery itself. So when you plug this in, it will light up and you can just drop this back in. What else is cool is it does have an MCU chip built into it. So it's going to give it an intelligent LED usage, and it's going to prevent it from overheating, things like that. And you can see here, this is going to be the really cool little ultraviolet light that comes out. So it's going to be really useful for a lot of different applications where UV light would be helpful. You're going to be able to use this for detecting pet urine in your house, on carpets, things like that. You're also going to be able to check out the cleanliness of bathrooms when you're staying somewhere. Also, you can use the ultraviolet for detection of counterfeit bills or documents. So let's get a little bit closer look at the actual flashlight itself and give it a try. So here's a closer look at the light. You can see it does have that really nice elephant trunk design. This is going to make it very ergonomic. It's going to be hard to drop. And what's cool too is, again, it is made of that aircraft aluminum. And so this is going to give it a nice scratch resistance and also make it a lot more durable if you did happen to drop it. You can see here on the front are the 3 LEDs. These are going to be that 365 nanometer LEDs, not just a purple color. So this is really going to help with any kind of urine or basically any kind of organic matter is going to glow underneath this light. And then to turn it on is really easy. You're just going to press the button here. This does turn on. Gives a little power indication here, and it's really easy just to turn that back off. And so when you turn the light on here, you can see that the bill here doesn't glow in any weird spots. This lets you know that it's real. Unlike if you're using regular paper here, like the instruction manual, you can see how much that will glow. This is also nice too because you're going to be able to use this on different documents to make sure things are authentic and have that watermark like you can see here. So one main use for the UV light is to check out how clean the toilets are in hotel rooms or cabins that you're staying at. You can see here this one's relatively clean. And the other thing that's nice too is you can check in here on the showers and see how clean the showers are. You can see here that scope scum shows up pretty easily with this UV light. So one other advantage to this light that I noticed is that you can get ticks to glow, which is going to be really great, especially during the summertime. You're going to be able to detect them very easily, especially on dark clothing or in dark hair.